Here's EasyPark app, one of the best parking apps in Europe. It's available in more than 2,200 cities across Europe. It's quite popular app, and then yeah, to use it, you just create your account using your phone number. You just add your email. Then you need to add payment method. You won't be charged yet, but it's not possible to create an account without adding either Apple Pay or debit card or some mobile pay, depending on the country where you're using that. And then yeah, if you just select where you want to park your car, where you're traveling, or then yeah, then you can just kind of you see that your payment method is connected in the bottom, and then you just spin to set time, and then you will just set up like you can see like 5 minutes, and then you can see like I wanna pay for it, and then you need to add a new vehicle. You need to enter license plate number, add a nickname, just optional. So there are some additional things. A camera park, that's additional, and then save this vehicle, select it, and then you will be charged with mobile pay or some other payment method, and then you will see the price and all of that. So yeah, and then you will see your settings. For example, what you can do, your parkings, your payment method, like vehicles. You can invite friends as well. So yeah, for example, if you want to use EasyPark, if you sign up for this invite, you will get 50 Danish kroner to use the next time you park, for example. So that's what you can do. So yeah, that's basically the idea. So try out this app. It's quite popular. It's one of the easiest way to park your car, especially in Europe, when there is not that much place to park a car. If there are no like underground parkings, and in some, European cities, everything is crowded with the cars and all of that. So try out this app. If you have any additional questions, just leave them in the comments.